Good morning, good afternoon, and welcome to yet another beautiful day in sunny Perth. Today we're along the Swan River in a very affluent area called Dalkeith. The biggest house in WA is in this suburb, so as you can guess, it's pretty nice around here. Beautiful view across the Swan River, which has parked in front of it an N54 engine, obviously twin turbo, 335 horsepower, 1M. And these were made for 1 year in 2011. I love these things. I have a real big fascination with small and nimble cars, and this is definitely one of them. So we're gonna take a look around. I'm gonna show you some of the really cool things about this car. And yeah, let's see what it's all about. Welcome to the 1M. First off, thank you so much to Stav for allowing me to drive his pride and joy. He's put a lot of money and a lot of effort into this car, which really shows because it is a stunning example. So this particular one was bought from over east because he wasn't a particular fan of the Perth BMW market. Around 6,000 built, 4,000 in white, I believe. There was a few obviously special edition colours, but in my opinion white is probably the nicer colour. So you can tell it's got some lowering springs on it. It feels way more firm. Obviously I'm not familiar with a standard 1M, but there's no way it's this firm from factory. I have been told the rear end likes to get a bit loose, so we're not gonna be going crazy today. This is someone's pride and joy, and that's not what we are about. We're about enjoying the drive and enjoying beautiful view. It definitely just wants to be like, say ya! 100%. Now, as you probably know from other videos, I really love a good arch. Look at this. Isn't she a beauty? And even the rears, so the rears are sitting on some 15mm spacers, and look how good the fitment is. Spot on. Beauty. It feels nimble, and obviously it's a small chassis, so it's going to feel that way, but it feels nimble. The steering could maybe have a bit more feel to it, but that's from a non-journalist perspective and just someone who enjoys cars, so take that with whatever you like. I like this car. I like this car. So this does have a few mods. So we've got some H&R springs which drop it about 30mm. We've got some aftermarket, well, still BMW 1 Series but optional rear lights. All the chrome's been blacked out. There's a few trick bits under the bay, so we've got some charge piping and some other interesting things which help bring it from 300 horse to from around 300 from factory to about the 335, which it is at right now. And what you may have noticed, little Ram air scoops. How cool! Man, this thing has got some power behind it. God damn. Twin turbo N54. I'm a big fan of this car, eh? Big fan. Alright, we'll give it a bit of shit. Traction control is like, mate, what are you doing? Why are you trying that? Who do you think you are? People appreciate this car as well. People appreciate that this was a short run. It was BMW thinking, you know what, let's just make something mad. Personally, I love the look of this car. Short, stumpy, huge arches, big wheels. If this is your first time on this channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Plenty more awesome cars like this, more events coming up, manufacturer content, all the good stuff coming your way. Just hit that subscribe button and I will see you in future videos. So once again, thanks very much to Stav for letting me drive this beast. Those arches, the way it drives, the turbo, lovely. Thanks again very much, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.